Mr. Abhay Thakur, the Indian High Commissioner to Nigeria, says unity in diversity is critical to sustain democracy in diverse and populous countries like India and Nigeria. Thakur made this known in Abuja at an event to commemorate the National Unity Day of India and the 145th birthday anniversary of Sardar Patel, who was instrumental to India's independence. According to him, the 31st of October, a day acknowledged by the United Nations, is special to India since it was set aside by the government in 2018 to honor Patel.
Today is a very special day for India because for the last several years it is being marked as the National Unity Day, and in large diverse countries like India and Nigeria, an essential cohesion and cohesion of purpose and a united approach towards national issues is important, and therefore it is very important to kindle the spirit of unity among populous countries, particularly even more so in very diverse countries. India is the largest democracy in the world, and Nigeria is the largest democracy in Africa, and I need not elaborate on the numerous positive reasons which require that we celebrate and mark unity in diversity from time to time. As for Sardar Patel, today we are observing his 145th birth anniversary, and one of the most important contributions he made was to ensure that India, with its 565 princely states when the British left India in 1947, were integrated into India without the use of force, using the power of persuasion, of logic, of the importance of staying together, and approaching this very sensitive issue with a firm resolve. And that is why we know Sardar Patel as the Iron Man of India, who, despite many challenges, successfully united India from among its 500 plus princely states. In many ways, he was also respectful of the diversity of India, because today, if we have linguistic provinces which respect different languages in particular, but also cultures, religions, and so on, again, Sardar Patel had a very fine sense of judgment and balance, where he ensured that while unity was pursued, diversity was preserved. So this is something that is his unique contribution, and today we see what we see today's India owes a large part of it to Sardar Patel, his thinking, his philosophy, and his ideals. And I think he's not only an Indian figure, his approach and his firm yet inclusive approach holds a lesson for all large countries, particularly large democratic countries in the world, including Nigeria.
On the NSAS protest, Thakur told News Agency of Nigeria, NAN, that India would continue to support the growth and sustenance of democracy in Nigeria, as both countries have long-standing relationships. He said President Muhammadu Buhari had addressed the nation on the situation and the way forward, and India will continue to stand by Nigeria.
India is a great friend of Nigeria. We have long-standing relationship. We have stood by each other through thick and thin. We have supported each other on numerous issues in the multilateral fora. Our partnership goes back to predates our independence and our freedom struggle. Mahatma Gandhi was influenced a lot by Africa. Indians always stood by Nigeria and Africa during their struggle for independence. And today in global fora, we look at each other as close friends. And I think Honorable President, His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari, has already spoken in detail. He has addressed the nation on the way forward. and we stand by Nigeria in its times of need, as it may be, and also as a steadfast and a constant partner.